I'm going back to school na in just a few days. And this is from Vaseline. It's the Gluta Serum Lotion. I'm gonna unbox some packages. Hi guys! So I'm back with another vlog. And it has been a while since I last uploaded. I think yung last vlog ko nung March pa. So almost a month ago. Cause it's already May. Yeah, I just missed filming kasi I have a lot of things in my head right now na gusto ko ma-share sa inyo. Parang life update and all. Basically, nagkaroon kami ng term break. So I really just took the time to rest and also clean up a bit, fix a lot of stuff sa house, sa new house, cause yun, isa rin yun sa mga bagay na i-update ko kayo sa progress ng house namin. That is why also, we're leaving today. I'm really happy cause na-achieve yung parang dream furnitures namin. Meron kaming in-envision talaga sa living room namin and nasunod naman siya. And another life update, I'm going back to school na in just a few days, I think. Yeah, so it's going to be my last term for my sophomore year. I can't believe I'm saying that. I have my schedule na. I'll just share my schedule sa ibang araw. But anyway, let's visit muna our new house kasi excited na ako makita talaga yung mga furniture namin. Ano ba ako? Hold on. I'll open this. Medyo may mga gamit pa dito. We have here mga tissue holder. And kasi yung theme ng bathroom namin is very industrial. So like, may mga gray stuff like lime wash wall. So I'll probably show that sa mga future vlogs. But yeah, I think this is the first time na makita niyo yung house. By the way, I just launched a new version of the classic totes. It's the same classic tote, pero iba na yung design natin, guys. We have the new logo. Yeah, it just looks so classy, which I like. So if you guys wanna get it, you guys can visit nonstatic.com. But anyway, mag-lip tint muna tayo. Actually, nabubuksan to, guys, if I'm not mistaken. So, pag mag-vlog ako, guys, ganyan siya. So, this is our Nordic sofa. It's made out of boucle fabric. Medyo high maintenance nga lang siya, kaya nasabi ko sa inyo. But it just looks so good. Like, match siya dito sa house. Like, nakikita nyo ba, guys? That's why we opted for this Nordic sofa. Okay, so happy Monday, guys. And today is actually my first day of classes again. Uunahan ko na kayo, guys. I know ito ulit yung suot ko, pero I swear it's a few days after. My closet right now is so messy. That's why ito na lang ulit yung sinuot ko, guys. Nalabhan naman na siya. I'm actually editing an IG reel for a brand. I wanted to get this done kasi yung start ng classes ko every Monday is 12:45 PM pa. I have time every morning, which I like kasi I don't know, it's just every morning, gusto ko talaga natatapos ko yung morning routine ko. I usually do yoga, and then I'll make my matcha. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a full morning routine before I start my classes, ganun. But anyway, as I was saying, I have a class at 12:45 PM, and wala pang announcement if matutuloy ba yung online class namin. So, I'm actually planning to visit a cafe today para maging productive lang ako. I also have a brand meeting at 2:30 PM. So, puro tayo online today. Like, lahat ng classes ko until 9:15 PM, online sila lahat. And then I have a meeting. So, sabi ko, you know what? Magka-cafe na lang ako, guys. Anyway, before I leave, I have to apply my lotion pala, guys. And this is from Vaseline. It's the Gluta Serum Lotion. I used to have dry skin, guys, way back as in. And to be honest, this is the only lotion that worked well on my skin. It gave me that glowing and healthy complexion. That's why I like it. This is my go-to lotion because it's non-sticky, it has skincare ingredients na rin, and it's expert formulated. And this one, guys, smells really good, as in, sometimes I would get compliments na akala nila perfume ko yun, pero in reality, I just use this lotion. But yeah, if you want to achieve that healthy and glowing skin but without any sticky feeling, I highly recommend this one. Maglalagay din pala ako sa legs ko na to, guys. I actually use this one for gabi. This is the Overnight Radiance Repair. But for daytime, I use the pink one. Ito. But anyway, I'll just prepare my stuff, guys, and I'll see you later sa cafe. I'm not gonna put all. Okay guys, so I have arrived. Anyway, so right now I'm at Muji and I ordered, what's this called again? So I got myself some ichigo matcha latte. This is my first time trying this because I usually order the usual matcha latte here sa Muji. But I wanted to try something new, so I ordered this. Let's have a taste test. Oh, and Ate got iced tea. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Okay, meron akong favorite order here sa Muji. It's so good. Anyway, so update guys. Wala pala akong 12:45 class. But I do have a 2:30 meeting with the brand. So I'm gonna be joining the Google Meet in a bit. Though I feel like hindi naman need magpakita sa cam. Kasi usually pag mga brand meetings, like voice chat lang. But dinala ko guys yung headphones ko. I mean, kay Casey do. Kasi yung Edifier ko na gray, hindi ko siya mahanap. So, this is Casey's Edifier headphones. Okay, so I'm gonna join the Google Meet now.
Kasya naman.
Apa tadi syarat? 3, 2, 1.
Go! Very
Pang video call.
So it's the next day already and I'm gonna unbox some packages lang that I ordered and isa dito PR. It's almost 6 p.m. kaya medyo parang madilim na, no? But yeah, let's start with this one. This is a PR from Sunny's Face. We have here their Lash Seeker. Ooh, ang fine niya lang. So madali to i-apply sa lower lashes. Which I appreciate kasi ang hirap, for me, ang hirap maglagay sa lower lashes. Lagi siyang dumidikit sa under eyes ko. And I also got their Sunny's Face Easy Line Liquid Eyeliner. Ta-da! Actually, kailangan ko pa talaga mag-practice mag-eyeliner kasi until now, guys, di pa rin ako marunong. Like, hindi pantay ako mag-eyeliner. So, thank you so much, Sunny's Face. So, actually, guys, nasira yung phone case ko. So, I bought new cases from Lazada. I'm using yung watch ni Casey, guys, as my scissors kasi hindi ako nakapagdala ng scissors today. Ayan. So, I got 2 lang. Hindi ko kasi sobrang tagal naman mag-last sa akin ng mga phone case. Unless like masira ko or mawala ko, dun lang talaga ako nagpapalit. So, this is the first one that I got. It's just clear, but it has glitters. Sana sakto siya. Ayan! Ayan, so super nice niya. May mga glitters. This one naman is just plain black. As a simple girl. As a boring girl. I don't know which one to use, guys. Oh, medyo mas manipis to. And for my last parcel, guys, sobrang importante nito sa everyday life ko. Wait, let's use Casey's watch again. Ayan. Hindi ko na kailangang lipat na ang camera ko. Back to the haul. So, I got myself some dry shampoo. Kasi, wait lang. So, ito yung super mura na dry shampoo na you can buy sa TikTok or Lazada. Actually, guys, sa price na to, not bad at all. Again, it's like 80 pesos. And it smells so good, guys. And yan, di ba? Parang naligo na ulit ako, guys. And this smells really, really good. So, highly recommend this one. If you're looking for an affordable option, ayan.
I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아, 관계는 깊지 않아 보이.